P in this.
Are talking about personalities. As you know, when you're vending or doing any kind of events, you're going to meet a plethora of people that have all different types of personalities, all different types of backgrounds, and you kind of have to fill people out. You don't really know how people are going to interact with you. Some people may be standoffish. Some people will be engaging and full of life. And some people just have like a blah personality and will just come and look, probably won't talk to you, do a little smirk or smile and walk away. You never know what you're going to deal with, but you always be pleasurable, be personable, and smile. My favorite. Come on. Okay. So it is Market Talk Fridays. We are live here at the downtown Springfield Farmers Market, and of course we're selling everything sauce, our premium dipping sauce that can be used as a variety of things, a marinade, a base sauce. It's really good for cooking with if you're doing your spaghettis or your chilies, your pastas, literally anything you're cooking, stir fries. You can add it in instead of trying to add a bunch of spices to make it taste good. All you need is that everything sauce. So we're down here, we're selling our new sizes. We got a big, huge bottle now, and we also have the current bottles that we had. Just the visual of the bottle looks different, but it's the same ounce-wise. So today we are talking about personalities. As you know, when you're vending or doing any kind of events, you're going to meet a plethora of people that have all different types of personalities, all different types of backgrounds, and you kind of have to fill people out. You don't really know how people are going to interact with you. Some people may be standoffish. Some people will be engaging and full of life, and some people just have like a blah personality and will just come and look, probably won't talk to you, do a little smirk or smile and walk away. You never know what you're going to deal with, but you always be pleasurable, be personable, and smile. My favorite thing to do is always ask people how they're doing, because a lot of times people go through the whole entire day without anyone asking them how they're doing, but quick to ask for a handout or give some type of attitude or negativity. So I always try to be positive, smile, and that's the first thing I ask is, how are you doing today? How are you feeling? How's it going? And when they leave, I always say, have a great rest of your day. I think that's imperative, because just those little how are you doing, have a great rest of your day is something that people don't hear throughout the day. So it's imperative, part of being personable. Today, and a lot of times when we're doing vending events, you'll experience people, for example, we have people taste the sauce, and we're always looking for feedback. Feedback is good to help us to get better, but there are times that we interact with people, they want to taste the sauce, they may not say nothing. We'll say like, what did you think about it? What did you put it on? And they're just like, weighing it back and forth in their head, conversing with themselves and not giving us any feedback, and they walk away. And that's out of our control. We can't do anything about it, but that's what I'm talking about as far as personality. You may get those people who are into themselves, and they're just here to get the free samples, and they don't want to talk to you, they don't want to engage, and that's totally okay. It doesn't help us as far as feedback, but it does help that maybe they're going to come back next week, or maybe they're going to tell their friends about it. Maybe it wasn't for them. Something that Lamont did today, which is something that I now have in the back of my head, is that when people come to taste our sauce, hey, the sauce may be too spicy or too sweet for you. As you know, our sauce is a nice balance of sweet and spicy, and then you get those nice flows of all the healing property spices that we put in there. Some people say it's too spicy, some people say it's too sweet, some people say it's not spicy enough, some people say it's not sweet enough. So what we do is remind them, like, hey, the sauce might not be for you, but is a good gift for somebody that you know that likes sauce, or somebody that you know that likes cooking, or somebody that you know that takes out takeout, somebody that you know that eats takeout a lot, and they may need a way to enhance their food, because everything sauce is a great flavor enhancer. It literally adds, any flavor that you need to any food. It is an enhancer. It is a party in your mouth. You can literally have it by itself, or you can add it to whatever you like, or add it to anything that is bland and boring and is going to give it that pizzazz. So we always just remind people, hey, it's not for you, but you may have a friend, a family member, a coworker, a colleague, even a foe that you know that could use the sauce. So hey, word of mouth, spread the word, or you can buy it now and give it away to somebody, or just have them come see us. Hey, follow us online, take a card. Hey, come back and see us. Maybe this week is not your week. Maybe it wasn't a good payday. Maybe you went and seen all the other vendors. By the time you got for us, you're low on funds. That's all right. We're here next week. Or you can always order online. Order online is 24/7. It never closes. So you can always order it. If you live locally, we will deliver it to you free of no shipping. If you're outside of the state, no worries. We can ship it to you. We can get it to you. So we just always are personable, we're smiling, and we give off good vibes, so it automatically attracts people over to our booth, over to our page, over to see what we're doing. And another thing that pays off from being a personable is that so many people today, and anytime that we're out, they always come and say, hey, I've heard good things about the sauce, and it immediately makes them want to taste the sauce, or just inquire about it, pick up the bottle, look at it, check the ingredients, ask us the background, the backstory of how the sauce got started. So that's the gifts that you give and also receive from being personable and pleasurable and having a good personality and smiling and exuding good energy, is that people want to inquire about what you got going on, see what you got going on, and even if it's not for them, they're going to be a spokesperson for you and tell their friends and family all about you. So a lot of times we get people that want to come up just because of word of mouth. Somebody told them about it, or they've seen the raving that people are doing about it online. So they come and see what we're about, and they immediately, there's lots of people that come to our booth and they want to taste, they don't even want to taste the sauce. They just want to buy it because of all the good things they heard about it. That's from being pleasurable. That's from having a good personality, smiling, engaging, asking how you are, how's your day. And so we don't worry about the people who don't give us the feedback that we're looking for, who don't smile back at us, who don't ask us or how we're doing or tell us to have a good day. We don't worry about those people because they're few and in between, and it's just their personality. And a lot of times, if people are not personable with you, it really has nothing to do with you. It's all about them and their character, their personality. So we never take it personally. We remain personable, and we smile, and we still tell them to have a good day, but we are reminded in the back of our heads that everyone doesn't carry the same positivity. They don't have the same persona, and you have to be okay with people, being in their feelings and not really wanting to engage with you or smile back, and it has nothing to do with you. But remain you, stay positive on the journey, and of course, grab your bottles of Everything Sauce at everythingsauce.com. That's everything with an A, not an I, because we put the A in Everything Sauce because it is awesome sauce. And it's America's new favorite condiment. So get you some. Until next time, tune in with us at Market Talks every Friday. We're here from 11 to 4, but you can catch our Market Talks online 24/7.